course, it must be challenging for you to find the right music for your YouTube video, your video games, or your project because of the copyright standard issues. So this video I am going to show the top websites from where you can download the copyright music free of cost. So stay tuned till the end of this video. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my channel where we are discussing many Unity tutorials, free guides and facts about the technology usage. So if you are new here, go and subscribe for latest update. Okay listeners, let's jump into today's task. The music behind your video give your video vibe to boost up, turn up or down the listener's emotion or convey your message in an impressive way. So the choice of right music or right place is very much important, and the first resource that helps in downloading the free music is your YouTube library. First of all, open YouTube website youtube.com, go to channel, create a studio, and from left side click on create. In the create library, you can find out many of the free music that you can indulge in your videos and can also use for your personal projects. Also, along with these songs, many sound effects are also being referred by YouTube in this site, and you can also use them free of cost without mentioning in description. To download them, click on the right button and it will be automatically downloaded without any problem. So if you like any of the song or sound effect from the YouTube library, you are free to use in your videos and your projects. Have fun with the YouTube music. Second resource or a website used to download the free copyright music is Ventsound. Open the Ventsound.com where you can find out many of the free copyright music in Royalty free music panel. Also, you can purchase many other licensed music, and you can also join the subscriptions of the Ventsound if you want to purchase the paid music of Royalty free. If you want to listen any of the music, just click on the play button. Song will be played. And if you want to download that music to use in your videos, just click on the download button to download. You do not need to add any of the reference into your description or any link related to the Ventsound when you are going to use this copyright free music. The music I am using in my current video is also downloaded from the Ventsound. Moving forward, let's discuss about the third option, that is Audio Jungle and Epidemic Sounds. Both of these websites actually work the same. That's why we are discussing them collectively. Both of these websites offer subscriptions for monthly basis or yearly basis. Starting from minimum $1, you can pay per month, can use your songs for your lifetime. Both these sites are offering music for your videos, for your games. The Audio Jungle is actually full of variety that offering sound effects, background sounds and music from different genres. On contrast to Epidemic Sounds that is offering you 1 month free trial version. You can use Epidemic Sounds for free without any paying, but after that you have to choose some kind of subscriptions to use them. The next one is Sound Bible that I highly recommend to especially game developers who have been looking different type of sound effect like gunshot, car driving, many type of horror sounds. The other video creating community can also use these audios free of cost. Click on the play button. If you want to download it, just click on it and choose either you want to download as an MP3 or .wav. I want to download it as MP3, so just click on the MP3. And the audio will be downloaded and can use free of cost in your video games, in your YouTube videos, or you can say you can use it as a Creative Commons for your projects. YouTube channels. Yes, the fifth option is YouTube channels themselves. You can download the videos and audios actually from the YouTube channels like No Copyright Sounds, NCS, Audio Library and Vlog No Copyright Sounds. Various such kind of channels exist where thousands of songs have been placed in their playlist. You can use all those audios and music, but the task you have to do is mention the credit into the video description. Where to get that video credits? From the related videos description. just copy that credit and paste into your video's description to enjoy the music of your choice. And that's the end of today's video. If you enjoyed the video, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and turn the notifications on. Also follow our social handle to get updated about the new videos. Thank you for watching the video till the end. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz.